Welcome back to the Tumbling Coach. I'm Coach Davis, and with me today I have Sydney. We are going to go over step 3 of the back tuck, which is the landing.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, this is it, the final step before you're ready to work on your back tuck. And if you don't know what that is yet, here it is. Nice, beautiful. One really simple way to practice your landing of your back tuck is by doing just simple backwards rolls. Starting with your arms up, going through the rotation, keeping that shin and toe drive over your body instead of pulling your feet in. Do one more time. Nice and tight. Rolling through and pulling feet to the ground, standing up at the end. With the finish of a back tuck, it's important that you feel what it feels like to go from an upside down position to an upright position. A good way to kind of simulate that is by doing a handstand on the wall and then pulling, driving your shins and toes underneath of you and standing up. A great way to add all 3 steps together, the set, the rotation, and the landing, is by kind of doing a jump into your tucked candlestick over your mattress, nice and controlled, pulling your feet through at the end. That was great. All right, you guys, that's it. You have made it through step 1, the set, step 2, the rotation, and step 3, the landing. Hopefully you have all of the tools and knowledge necessary to start practicing these things and working on your back tuck at home. When you feel confident and ready, check out my how to spot a back tuck tutorial below and find somebody who is able and willing to spot you through your back tuck. A huge thank you to Sydney for being so willing and helpful throughout this back tuck series. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I'd love to hear what other tumbling skills you're working on or what you want to see from me. Bye, guys.